What is meant by crypto wallet development? It is the process of creating reliable wallet software for storing cryptocurrencies. Crypto wallet development is the first and foremost process for executing any crypto-related activity. Public and private keys are used for accessing a crypto wallet app. Jaw-dropping features of a crypto wallet. Multi-platform compatibility. QR code scanner. Multi-crypto adoption. User-friendly interface. Real-time conversion rate. Automated session logout. Push notifications. Revenue-generating streams of a crypto wallet development. Advertising fee. Trading fee. Consulting fee. Withdrawal transaction fee. Why is crypto wallet development necessary for a crypto business? Without a crypto wallet, one cannot store, sell, or receive cryptocurrencies. A crypto wallet is highly mandatory for the safer storage of cryptos against malware attacks. Hence, develop your crypto wallet to store your cryptocurrencies without any hassles. For creating a crypto wallet, you might seek an expert's guidance, right? To be precise, contacting a reputed crypto wallet development company will help you in kickstarting your business quickly. Benefits of approaching a crypto wallet development company. Cost-effective. Time-efficient. Highly professional. Greater security. No technical expertise is needed. Why pick Icoclone for your crypto wallet development? Icoclone is an ideal crypto wallet development company in the crypto space who are highly skilled in creating a unique wallet. We excel in delivering the exact outcome as expected by the clients. You can develop your crypto wallet in a cost and time-effective manner at Icoclone. Why delay? Contact Icoclone for kickstarting your crypto business promptly. Contact our experts to get a free demo today.